So, if you do a quick Google research on how to make money online, you'll see a bunch of articles with a list similar to this. As you can see, there's so many ways for you to make money online. But all of these different business models have one thing in common. That one thing is what's up guys, my name is Sean, and in today's video I want to break down why building up a personal brand is one of the best ways to make money in 2021 going into 2022 and beyond. Let's go. Now, all of these business models that I show you in the beginning of the video all have one thing in common. That one thing is, drum roll, traffic. The one thing that they all have in common is traffic. Now, if you're going to start an affiliate marketing business to promote your offer, you're going to need traffic. If you're going to do drop shipping, you're going to need traffic, because without traffic, no one's going to buy your product. E-commerce, the same thing. You're going to need traffic. Selling a digital product, you're going to need traffic. And print on demand, you already get it. You're going to need traffic. So building up, spending time building up an audience, a brown and niche, it's going to be hands down the best move you ever make in starting a business online. Let's break down some stuff. Now, why building a personal brand is so important, you may ask. Say for example, you grow a YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers around the cooking niche, and you want to monetize your audience. You do not want to just rely on ads so for that YouTube is paying you. You want to build up different income stream, right? So you can be more stable. Okay, so you can do affiliate marketing and promote product that is relevant to cooking to your audience. You can do print on demand and promote merches that is relevant to cooking. You can start a drop shipping store where you're drop shipping product that is relevant to cooking. And you can even go and start an e-commerce brand that you're selling physical products that is relevant to cooking. You get the point. So now you know why starting a personal brand is important. Now I want to tell you why starting a personal brand is so powerful. It's powerful because while you're building up your audience, people is getting to see you and know you as you. If that makes sense. If that makes sense. But you get the point. People getting to see who you are, getting to trust you. And love you, right? So they're gonna start to love your content that you're creating and publishing on the internet. They're gonna get to see, they're gonna see all those effort that you're putting in of giving them value, and they're gonna appreciate it. And that's how they're gonna start supporting you. So whenever you start to monetize your audience, whether you're gonna do affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce, print on demand, sponsorship, whatever it may be, they're gonna already trust you enough to support you, and that's how you're gonna make money, right? And that's one of the best ways, hands down, man, to make money online. And now, what is a personal brand? A personal brand is basically building up an audience of people around a niche that you're passionate about. Now, you know why I said passionate about? It's because that's what's going to keep you going when the time gets rough. Say it go. What's up? I think I say it go. Yeah. So that's what will keep you going when the time gets rough. Passion. So a niche is basically, in a nutshell, a specific topic that you're going to be creating content around. That's basically what a niche is, right? Now you know why building a personal brand is important, why it's so powerful, and you know what a personal brand is. Now I want to share with you how you can grow a personal brand in 2021, going into 2022 and beyond. This is bulletproof business, I'm telling you. Let me even get closer. You don't have no excuse starting today. If you take a look at TikTok, people are blowing up left, right. Man, I'm telling you, people are doing and blowing up. I can't dance, so People are doing some dance move, blowing up. Now, if you're not a dancer, people are literally and blowing up same way. So they're just pointing on some text that is coming up on the screen with a text to speech sometimes. Sometimes they use it, sometimes they don't. With a trendy song and they're blowing up. So that's TikTok for you. Anyone can blow up, man. You just gotta be goofy. You feel me? But then Instagram. No, wait. But Sean, isn't Instagram hard to grow? Is Instagram dead? You're wrong. Guess what? You got Instagram Reels. Answer is no, my friend. It's not dead. It's not hard to grow and it's not easy either. But once you know what to do, you can blow up. Instagram have a feature called Reels. It's similar to TikTok, same algorithm, same way a average person like you and me can blow up. So you don't have no excuse when it comes to Instagram as well. Now YouTube, a lot of people say it's saturated. But newsflash, you got something called YouTube Shorts, similar to TikTok and Reels. It's very simple if you know what you're doing to blow up. So you don't got no excuse. So to start a personal brand, the first thing you need to do is pick a niche. Now, as I said earlier, make sure it's something that you're passionate about. So that could be cooking, if you like to whip things up in the kitchen. That could be cars, if you're interested in cars. If you're interested in makeup, business, finance, the list goes on. Whatever you're interested in, you can build a personal brand around. That's why I said this is hands down one of the best business that you can start online. Right? So pick a niche, and then the second thing you need to do is to pick a platform to grow on. Now you can start with TikTok and grow on there, and then you can drive traffic to your YouTube channel and drive traffic to your Instagram. Whatever works for you. You can start with any one of these platforms, but I recommend you start with either TikTok mostly because TikTok is the easiest one to blow up on, just because it's just TikTok. That's the way TikTok is. You feel me? So you can start with TikTok, and then you can pick YouTube or Instagram as the second platform to grow on. We'll start with one. So once you pick a platform, which is TikTok, as I said, then what I need you to do is do some research. So the third step is to do some research. You're gonna research your competitor. So if you pick the cooking niche, you're gonna type in cooking on TikTok. You're gonna find people that are dominating that niche. And then once you find the persons that are dominating that niche, you can then analyze what they're doing. So you're gonna find out how they create content, what type of content that is going viral for them, and then what you're going to do is copy them. And no, you're not going to be that type of copycat, the one that's copy exactly what people are doing. No, you don't want to be that one. Be the smart one. You're going to copy, you're going to get a data that's already proven to work, and then you're going to see how you can improve on that data. Then now you're going to start to create content. So the fourth one, you're going to start create content. So now you know what works, you know how to improve it. You're going to create content now. You're going to start to get the ball rolling. So let me recap. So 1, you're going to pick a niche. 2, pick a platform, which is TikTok. Start with TikTok. Then 3, research and analyze your competitors. And 4, start creating content. So the 5th one is to invest some time in bettering your skill, which is consuming content and how you can better improve your skill and become a better content creator.
Knowledge.
The 16th now is going to be just have fun. That's why I told you to pick something that you're passionate about. So it's just going to be fun. The whole journey should be fun. You shouldn't just start a personal brand or whatever you're doing in life just because you can make money with it. No. Just have fun, because the thing is, once you having fun, being yourself, providing value to people, solving problems, you will make money. So whatever content that you're creating while building your personal brand, make sure that you're providing value, you're solving your audience problems, right? And eventually you will make money. So I want you to go out there and crush it, my friend. You can, trust me, anyone can. Take me for example. I'm on a journey of building my own personal brand with this channel. Now you reach the end of this video, guys. If you do enjoy it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and do not forget to turn on post notification as well so you can get notified whenever I do upload. And with that said, I'm out.